What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to accept an invitation and join a Pro-Am team in NBA 2K26. First, make sure you have crossplay turned on, especially if the team you are joining has players from other platforms. To do this, go to Features tab on the main menu, then open Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see an option called Crossplay. Just make sure it's enabled. If you are on Xbox, you might need to turn crossplay on through your console's main settings instead. I'm on PlayStation, so it's available directly in the game settings. Once crossplay is enabled, load back into the city on your player. Assuming someone already invited you to their Pro-Am team, they can send the invite by clicking your name on their friends list or by going into Pro-Am, selecting their crew and then choosing recruit players to invite you. To accept the invitation, head into the Pro-Am section, whether it's for 3v3 or 5v5, and look for the invites tab. You'll see any pending invitations there. Find your friend's invite, select it and accept to officially join their team, and that's it. Super simple. Once you're in, you'll be part of the squad and ready to hop together. Hope this video helps you out. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.